Go, Kuya Jay.
Good evening, guys. Please help us spread the word. Thank you for coming out tonight. But please, i-air na kami nung Friday. Nasa Netflix na to. So please, we really appreciate it kung matulungan niyo po kami spreading the word. What Lies Beneath, October 17, October 20 on Free TV. Yun po.
Good evening, everybody. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the first 3 episodes. And thank you for spending time with us tonight. Hindi pa actually namin napapanood. Bukas pa. So, we're very excited to hear what you guys think. And thank you for coming out.
Nakakaingit naman kayo. Sana all. Bukas kami manonood and we're very excited. Uy, wag niyo yung spoil Charot. Sana na-enjoy nyo. Sana ipakalat nyo yung magandang balita na ipapalabas na po kami very, very soon. Yan, October 17, Netflix, I Want, October 18, and Free TV on October 20. Malapit na yon, so kailangan talaga po namin ng tulong po ninyo. And it's a collective effort for everyone para maipush natin lalo yung show. Thank you po.
Good evening, maraming salamat po sa pagpunta ulit. And yun nga po, sa Friday na po kami ipapalabas. Sana matulungan niyo po kami. Salamat po ng marami sa inyong oras.
Go direct.
Hi, and good evening everyone. And thank you very much for coming over. And thank you sa support sa What Lies Beneath.
Magandang gabi po. I'm Benson from the creative team. Maraming salamat for coming here. Please help us spread not the lies, but the good news that What Lies Beneath is coming in hot on Friday. Thank you.
Congratulations po sa inyong lahat. Sir Benz, alam ko po you're the head writer of What Lies Beneath. Gusto po namin malaman, what do you think would set this thriller series apart from the rest po na syempre ipinalabas na po?
Okay. Currently, karamihan sa mga shows na napapanood natin ngayon, they are male-centric redemption stories. But What Lies Beneath is unapologetically female. And RCD Narratives has always brought strong female characters to the forefront. And nakita po natin yun sa MMK for how many years? Viral Scandal, The Killer Bride. And I think yun, tuloy lang namin yung legacy na yun. Of course, this is mystery, this is thriller, but it's still deeply human.
Yes, congratulations po Sir Benz, Direk, and Direk. Gusto ko lang malaman din po yung casting. How did you guys choose po yung perfect actors to join you for this teleserye? Meron po ba marami po bang pumasok or na mga nag-try, or did you guys handpick each and every artist to join you?
Actually, maraming kinonsider. Pero syempre parang, kumbaga, tinitigan namin yung sino ba yung fit sa character at sino ba yung alam namin makakapag-humanize ng mga character to. And of course, sila yung so una pa lang naisip na namin na gumanap. Although sa simula, kasi syempre diba, it's very difficult na parang kumbaga parang i-gather mo sila all together. Very busy sila, may mga kanya-kanyang ginagawa from the very start. So napakahirap dumaan sa butas ng karayom yung pagkakas. And fortunately, dumating yung time na, ayun, nag-swap na yung mga schedules, yung mga, like, di ba, for example, like si Jake, he's doing Batang Quiapo and all that. So, sina, Kyla, Incognito, si Sue, may ginagawa, si JM, meron din. So it's really very difficult to gather them all. Pero, syempre, hinintay namin sila and yun, hanggang sa dumating yung time na okay na and all that. So, ito na siya. Yun. So, parang it's really, parang matagal yung proseso because talagang naghintay kami ng time talaga na magagawa nila ito.
Congratulations. Yes po.
Just to add with what Direct Dante said,
that gave us the ample time para mas i-fine-tune pa kung ano yung kailangan namin i-fine-tune. And we were able to have our actors and actresses na talagang nagbigay and alam naming magbibigay para dun sa tema ng show.
And very star-studded po talaga yung cast ng What Lies Beneath. Grabe. As in, walang tapon po. Wow, walang tapon. Pero of course, okay, before I open the floor to our friends from the media and syempre our influencers, kita naman natin yung poster sa labas, guys, diba? Okay, so I wanna ask from each and every one of you, sample naman ng ano dyan, shocked pose. One by one. Okay, go. Kuya Jake, ikaw muna. Isang shock pose naman dyan. Nakatalikod daw. Ganon. Okay. None. Okay, Ate Kyla, ikaw naman. Go. Habang nagpe-prepare si Kuya Jake. O, diba? Ate Sue, go. O, diba? Nakaganita. 1, 2, 3. Ganon, te! Okay, Kuya JM, ikaw naman. Yes. Ikaw, Kuya Jake, one last. Hey, I love it. Thank you guys so much. Ngayon naman, it's now time for us to open the floor. Friends from the media, influencers, if you guys have questions for our artists and our creatives for What Lies Beneath, go ahead. It is now your time to share. Don't forget to introduce yourselves and also the media you're representing. Anyone? We also have our microphone here. Yes. Okay. Meron